stars come to you for hookup or breakup, Zada kya?
Both. First they hook up, then they get involved, and then they want to break up.
Who is the one who gives you the sauciest gossip in the Indian film industry?
Kareena Kapoor.
Have you ever stalked your ex on social media?
I've not had many ex situations, but I stalk everybody on social media.
Also, if a dodgy...
I'm obsessed by stalk. I love to know where people are, what they're doing, who they're with, and when they've come back through the airport.
Super.
ऑन रिकॉर्ड मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि ये जो कहानी फैली हुई है, मसाला जो मैगजीन है उनकी कवर स्टोरी अप्रैल फूल जोक है ना, ये वंदना मेलवानी नाम की कोई लड़की नहीं एग्जिस्ट करती इस दुनिया में. शी इज अ मेड अप. It was an idea of a joke. I didn't realize कि it would make national news. I'm very excited कि अगर मेरी जब भी कोई भी announcement हो इस तरह, there will be so much interest. So I'm very honored. Thank you media for giving my marriage so much importance. लेकिन मैं शादी नहीं कर रहा हूँ. There's been some talk about why I remain silent for the past 2 weeks. Today I'd like to clarify that the reason why I remain silent is because of the deep sense of hurt and the deep sense of pain that I felt that a few people would actually believe that I'm being anti-national. I need to say this, and I say this with strength, that for me, my country comes first. Nothing else matters to me but my country. I've always felt that the best way to express your patriotism is to spread love, and that's all I've ever tried to do through my work and my cinema. When I shot my film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil in September to December last year, the climate was completely different. The circumstances were completely different. There were efforts made by our government for peaceful relationships with the neighboring country. And I respected those endeavors then, those efforts then. And I respect the sentiment today. I understand the sentiment because I feel the same. Going forward, I would like to say that of course I will not engage with talent from the neighboring country given the circumstance. But with that same energy, I beseech you to know one thing, that over 300 Indian people in my crew have put their blood, sweat and tears into my film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. And I don't think it's fair to them to face any kind of turbulence on account of other fellow Indians. I respect the Indian Army. I salute the Indian Army for everything they do to protect us in our environment. I respect them with all my heart. And I say that I condemn any form of terrorism, any form, and especially the terrorism that would affect my people in my country and me. I just hope all of you understand exactly the circumstance and situation that we are in and respect the fact that we love and respect our country over and above anything else.
There's also a wonderful moment that you talk about when Kajol, who you now don't have the same relationship with any longer, but maybe you will in future, when she told you that if you want to establish your, you want to assert yourself on the set, just come and shout the hell out of me. Just come and yell at me to show that you're the boss. And you were faking. I mean, you were faking it. She was faking it. But I thought that was very generous of her and very smart of her to think of that. You were young. You were nervous. She was a huge star. And she says, just come out there and shout at me.
Yeah,
and
it's true. It's what happened. It's what's in the book, as are many other things. Kajol, I think enough has been said about recently, especially when excerpts of the book have been out. So I don't want to say any more about the fact that we have great history. And I want to remember just the history that we've shared. This is a moment in that history of nearly 25 years of a friendship. And yeah, sometimes chapters end, books end, relationships end.
But yet, you talk about when you hugged Shah Rukh at Deepika's party, and suddenly, whatever tension there may have been, melted away. That one hug, there was so much love that was exchanged, and it was all eliminated.
I think there was never, there are ups and downs in so many relationships, but with Shah Rukh, it's, there is deep love. There's no other way of communicating the respect and love that I have for him. And I believe that ours will be a dynamic, and ours will be a relationship, and ours will be a connect that will be forever. It's only because my love for him has only grown over the last 2 decades. My love for his family has been so constant and consistent. And the fact that I think that their home is like a home for me in this city means a lot to me and my mother. My love for him is beyond work. My love for him and his family is beyond what he and I do professionally. It really is now a soul connect. I think we were meant to meet in this world, and I think it's because of my father that we have this connect. And we could possibly have our down days and our humongously up days, but what we cannot ever forget is the unabashed love that will remain, and the respect, more importantly, that I think has not been diminished, no matter what.
Because I think not only is she clearly the performance of 2014, but she's also really grown tremendously and with a great amount of power in the fashion space. So she's a powerhouse fashion stylista, fashionista, but also a powerhouse actress. And I think today I say that with great amount of pride that she's truly one of the finest emerging actresses this country will see.
Excuse me, ma'am. मुझे आपने शादी.com कब से बना दिया? मैं अच्छा भला निर्माता, निर्देशक, बहुत सारी चीजें हूँ. मैं मैच मेकर नहीं हूँ. मैं लोगों के पर्सनल लाइफ के अंदर नहीं घुसता.
Hello everyone. मैं मिला ना, आपने देखा नहीं मैं किससे मिला?
वो पीछे थी जो दीवार पे.
कितना ओबीडियंट था, मैं उनके सामने खड़ा था, बिल्कुल नहीं हिल रहा था.
आप इस ट्रेलर को बार-बार देखो और उससे सवाल मत किया.
Hello, this is Sakshi from E24. My question is to Karan sir. First of all, nice shoes. Okay, my question to you is कि you recently won Padma Shri. So how did you celebrate and what was your mom's reaction? And did Ekta Kapoor, you and Kangana Ranaut planning up to meet and celebrate it together?
To answer your first question, it was a very emotional moment for me when I received the call. I was actually on a recce for Takht. I was in the forest in the middle of Florence somewhere. It was 2 hours out of Florence. We were in this forest. I wasn't getting network. But when I finally managed to receive the call from Delhi and I was told that, I had received the Padma Shri, I was in the middle of this forest looking a bit zoned, like what did I just hear? I bet I heard it right or not. I realized I had heard it right. And the first thing I did was call my mom. And of course, my mother and me, we are just complete emotional wrecks in any situation, happy or sad. We cry a lot. It's our thing as a family. We do a lot of crying. So she started crying, and then I got very teary speaking to her, and it was an emotional phone call. And after that, I lost network. So 2 hours after that, I connected with everybody else and informed my close friends about what had happened. But yeah, it was a very emotional moment, and I was very honored, not just the movie industry names that you mentioned, but to receive this with so many people from so many walks of life. It's the 4th highest civilian honor to receive, and I was very overwhelmed by the respect, by just the acknowledgement given to me. And I just wish all the winners all the best from my heart.
और करण जी से मेरा सवाल है कि 2005 में आपने काल बनाई थी, जो कि काफ़ी अच्छी थी और मतलब आज भी याद की जाती है वो फिल्म. और
Ma'am, you're very polite. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. क्योंकि आप शायद हिंदुस्तान में पहली ऐसी महिला हैं या इंसान हैं जिन्होंने काल की तारीफ की हो. I mean, as I have to say that I'm proud of every film that has come out. कुछ चली हैं, कुछ नहीं चली हैं. लेकिन I remember कि मैं जब काल में नहीं डरा था तो मैं बहुत डर गया था. तो I think वो इस फिल्म में मेरे साथ बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि मैंने जब भूत देखी थी अपने एडिटिंग रूम में, जब भानु और शशांक ने मुझे दिखाई थी, तो मैं अपने पिलो के साथ में गया था और मेरी आंखें में was covered right through the screening. मैं ओवर ड्रामेटिक हूँ जब मैं ऐसी फिल्में देखता हूँ. मैं चिल्लाने लगता हूँ सीट में and all that. So I'm the worst audience and possibly the best audience for all.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मुगले आजम भी स्टार्ट में नहीं चली थी, लेकिन वो बाद में हिट थी. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि कोई फिल्म अगर फ्लॉप है तो मतलब वो खराब है.
को कहाँ एक डब्बे में डाल रहे हो. I mean, like, मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ आपका, लेकिन आप बस छोड़ दो. 2005 में जो रह गई बात वो रहने दीजिए.
I had the fortune of working with the best of the directors. This time on, how was it working with Anurag Kashyap in it and working with Karan Johar as a co-actor?
Karan, of course, has been my personal mentor. I've done my 3rd film in his production, and he's always been great to me, and in this film he had to play my mentor. तो पहले 2 दिन तो मुझे हंसी आती थी जब करण कोई बड़ा डायलॉग सा बोलता था, you know, with his mustache and this look and he's trying to be all this menacing and all that. मुझे याद है एक सीन था जहाँ मुझे करण को गाड़ी के शीशे पे दबाना था, तो करण बहुत चार्ज हो गया and he said, तू मुझे दबा, like go for it, you know, I don't care. नहीं, not in that way, वो type of दबा है. तो मैंने जो दबाया करण को गाड़ी के शीशे पर, उसको लगने लगा, but he became such a method actor कि he just said नहीं you go for it, तू दबाते जा. Eventually जब पैकअप हुआ रात को, he had a migraine and he had to take like things because his head started hurting, but he was wonderful to work with.
अच्छी तरह नहीं दबाया, ठीक तरह दबाया होता ना तो फिर लगता नहीं.
Okay, I'm going to blindfold you. Karan, you can't say that you've never been blindfolded.
Okay, I don't know if I signed up for this, but hey, what the hell. Okay. Oh, I can keep my mic. It's too big. This seems like 50 Shades of Grey to me. I don't know. I thought it was a children's book. What's happening here?
Karan, it's only me.
I know, but still, I can fantasize, Mandira.
Okay.
Is something going into my mouth now?
Yes.
Is something going into my mouth now?
Yes, in a
Okay.
minute. Okay. Baby.
Yeah?
Easy.
Can I have one more of it?
Sure. I made it well?
Yeah. I know this.
Come on.
It's a fruit. Oh. It's a fruit. Why don't I know this? I'm going blank. I know it's a fruit. You want to tell me it's apple? Okay. Banana.
Well, you're not... Okay, fine. That was right, but you're not supposed to help.